What's up, guys? Sound check. 1, 2. You need me to do a sound check, bro? How we sounding today? We sounded good? Volume loud? We good for the sound, right? Hey, good morning, guys. It's a little bit loud in my headphones, to be honest, but hey, we're gonna make it work. What's up, team? Hope y'all are well today. It is Friday. Hope y'all had a happy Thanksgiving. Yeah, I know. Alright. Man, it's so bright with these scans, man. The scans make it so bright. Let me see if I can fix this. No. Alright, guys. So, I'm over here messing with this contrast. I probably shouldn't. Alright, guys. How are you guys this morning? It's Friday. You know? It's Friday, guys. Oh, man. I need a haircut. My wife's been cutting my hair and she doesn't know how to cut my bangs, and now my bangs are all uneven, is what it looks like. Look, I'm appreciative that my wife cut my hair. I really am, you know, and like with COVID, I mean, listen, nobody's really gonna see me except for, you know, 300 plus people every morning right here. So, you know, if there was any time to let her cut my hair, it was during COVID. But, once my bangs really grew out, I'm realizing how weird she cut my bangs. Hey, I love her though. She tried. You know, but I think today I might need to go get a haircut. You know what I mean? And we'll see how that goes. But oh no, it's words. No. I don't want words. We don't want words in our music. This is the newest music. Let me see what they got. Alright, let me know what you think about this music. We're gonna see if it's good or not. Yeah, right. Yeah, somebody accused me of wearing a wig. A wig, what was it, Wednesday? They accused me of wearing a wig. I'm sitting there like, if this was a wig, it would be a damn good wig, you know? And like I said, hey, listen, if I end up losing my hair, I'll buy a wig, man. I'm not, you know... Like, I don't care. But I'm, you know, my hair is pretty strong so far, you know, at 30 something. And so I'm still doing good. I'm doing better than a lot of my friends. I'll say that, you know. That's right. Makes perfect sense, Wretched. You know, makes perfect sense, bro. Here, I gotta find something. I'll be right back. Alright, never mind. I found it. Alright. Well, what's up, guys? What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Alright, so yeah, we got W-O-R-K, or no, it's W-O-R-X gapping up this morning. It's W-O-R-X, it's works. works as a work-in, and I'm sure we got a lot of other puns we can hit today, you know. But yeah, WORX, gapping up nicely here. I hope you all ate some good food. I know I did. And honestly, look at NAKD naked here. IPDN gapping up strong. Honestly, the real list to look at if you want to see what's actually moving is this right list right here. Like, look. You look at these, like, these are stocks that are gapping up that we might not have seen prior. Like, look, SRNE, strong. I didn't see it on this list, on this left list, but it's on this right list right here. So look at this, this right list. Apxt, strong. Didn't see it either. Kodak. We're gonna watch Kodak again today as well. SPI, gapping up some. We got Riot, gapping down a little bit, but hey, we're still gonna watch it. But WORX is probably my favorite. Nah, I mean, I don't think I'm really losing my hair. The only hair shampoo, like, I don't think I'm actually losing my hair. My hairline has always been kind of like it is now. Nothing, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with people that are losing hair. I mean, look, I'm sure my hairline is pushed back some as you get older, like everybody's does. But so there's nothing wrong with losing your hair per se. But what my hair problems aren't with losing hair. Like, my hair is super dry. And so, like, I have really dry hair. And so I have to use, like, selenium stuff in my hair. Because I get, like, really dry hair and skin, you know. And so I've got to use, like, selenium in my hair. And, like, all this other stuff so I don't flake, basically. Honestly, I don't know why the stream makes me look like a vampire. I really don't. Like, I don't know why it makes me look like a vampire. You know, I mean, like, it makes me look so pale. I'm assuming it's just because I have these scanners up, so it's like you can see the scanner. Like, you see the color of these right here? That's reflecting onto me, and now I look like a vampire. I look like Edward from Twilight. I look like I'm about to just turn into a vampire, you know. I look like Dracula. I look like Brad Pitt in Interview with a Vampire, you know. And so I don't know why. Hey, hit that like button. Go to yellow light, not white light. I'm hot like Alice, bro. I know. You know. What do you mean yellow light? There's no yellow light here. What light? I don't even have a light up. The only light I have is my monitors, bro. And I could turn this light down. I probably could. Hold on, let me try this. Hey, the stream might cut off. Don't judge me. Picture mode. How is that? Let me look at how this affects it. Alright, this is photo light. Cinema light. I don't know, man. We're just gonna go with that one. I don't know the difference here. It's probably good to change the blue light though, but hey. Back up a little bit. Yeah. I mean, it's probably good that I back up some, but it's gonna mess with my mic. Whoa. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Alright, but yeah, just to build a watch list here. We got WORX. I'll figure it out after stream today. I won't waste any more time. We got IPDN. We got WORX gapping up. The good thing, though, about this is that it makes my teeth look hella white. Like, look at my teeth, man. Fun fact, I hate to break it to you, but my teeth are not this white. You know, my teeth are not this perfect in real life. Just to spit facts back at y'all. My teeth are not this perfect. But for some reason, on stream, my teeth are shining right now. Like, you know? Like, look at that. I wish my teeth were like this all the time because they're really not like that in real life, you know? We got WORX. We're watching this one. We got IPDN. NAKD, very cheap. Making some moves. GNFT, I don't really like that one. DBVT. I don't really like that one either. EH, down. JMIA. Too expensive. Oh, I gotta change this. I gotta filter this out. I gotta change the price here. Let me filter this out from like $1 all the way up to, no, there we go. All the way up to like $15 is what we'll do. There we go, that's good. All right. We're looking at SRNE too. Look at SRNE. It's at 8:15s. It might be a little bit slow of a day today, just because it's a half day today, and it's the weekend, and it's a Friday. So it might be a little dull. We got APXT gapping up pretty strong here as well. We got SPI. And so, like, we got some gappers. They're kind of high, but we got a few. We got GVO here. Rail. WYY. We got Sun W. UONE. Gapping up a little bit. APTX trying to gap up. If you guys see anything that I don't see here, let me know. Because I'm not really seeing anything I love right now. Maybe I'm missing out on some stuff, but it's a little dull today. Am I right? Hey, what's up, Joe? That fact wasn't fun, bro. Hey, it was a fun fact. Don't judge me. You know. IPDN. Works, no news. Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know what's up with Works. Let me see if I can find some news for these today. Yeah, no company specific news to justify this. Works is, I'm trying to think of what sector Works is in. I think it's EV, but I might be wrong. Let me look. Yeah, look at the sector here. It's a line of lawn and garden equipment and power tools owned and distributed by the Positech Tool Corporation, which is a manufacturing company based in Suzhou, China, with North American headquarters in Charlotte. And so yeah, Works is like a lawn care company. They do like blowers, weed eaters, lawn mowers, and stuff like that. Based in China. Jill, Wisa. Jill's slow. So is WISI. Yeah, and if you want to try out Weeble, man, here's a link. I got a link for you if you want it. If you sign up through my link, you get like... they got some type of special going on now, man. I don't know. I think the special is like you get 2 free stocks. I think it's like you get a free stock. Let me see. They sent me an email. Let me see. I think Weeble's got their specials again. And like I stopped promoting Weeble because they stopped giving away free stocks. And so it's just too difficult to promote them. Let me look this up though. I don't know, man. You get some amount of free stocks for signing up. I don't know where. I think it's for influencers only, they said. So I guess, am I an influencer, guys? Is that what I am? Am I an influencer? I don't think I am. You know? Because like I'm not out there taking pictures of myself and stuff, you know? Like, I don't think that's what I am. I think I'm just like a YouTuber that teaches people about the stock market. You know? If I had to, I don't know. But yeah, if you want to check out Weeble, here you go. You're an IG model, to be honest. I know, I knew that, bro. I mean, you don't have to tell me that. I mean, we all knew that, you know? But all I'm saying is that, am I an influencer, you know? We got WORX here, gapping up strong. We'll see what happens for WRX. Anything else that looks good? I don't really see anything. Unless you like really cheap penny stocks like NAKD. $21 stock. Are we really about to trade a $21 stock? IPDN kind of looks good. I guess we could try to look up the news for this one. I do have a list of gappers here. You know. Alright, so here's my real list. Alright, we got WORX, IPDN, we got VSTM gapping up, we got SunW gapping up a little bit, we got SRNE gapping up a little bit, we got Apxt gapping up some, we got FCEL moving up a little bit here, FCEL, and then we got SPI. Those, you know, 8 to 10 stocks are really the stocks on my list today. Maybe watching Riot as well here. But yeah, mostly WORX is at the top here. We got some interesting levels though, and these look pretty strong. Like we can watch 250s, 270 right here. We got you know, we got 150 way down here if we ever do hit that or not. But we got like $2 here as well. We're gonna clear this and redraw these. So we got pre-market high, 250s, 220 confirmation. We got $2. And those are really the 4 levels that I'm watching here for WORX. These 4. We'll see what happens there. Above us, let's look above us at above the 250s. Man, honestly, this crazy gap up for works just kind of throws it off. I mean, I think $3 is really what we gotta watch above us for WRX. So we'll watch that. We'll see what happens here for it. The next one we can look at. VSTM. VSTM. Healthcare stock. Not sure why it's moving. Started to run up a little bit on Wednesday. Not sure why it's really moving though. For VSTM. If you know, let me know. Man, enough of that. No. We got Apxt, which is pretty expensive, but it is looking very strong with a huge range here. No news for this one really either. Sorrento Therapeutics. We're looking at SRNE as well here. This one's got a huge range. We'll keep an eye on it, but we're really looking for some other stuff. It's just a big range. SRNE, on the other hand, though, is starting to kind of creep up here. This one put out a release that said that one of their subsidiaries secured a $34 million DARPA contract to develop gene-encoded COVID antibodies. They got a contract to develop countermeasure against COVID, basically. So for SRNE, so a real catalyst. We're just watching these two levels, really. We're watching 8 and then 850 up here, half and whole dollar. Also, you know, the pre-market high range as well as some major support in pre-market. So that's what we're going to look at for SRNE. We'll see what happens here with this one as well. WYY had a huge rip on Wednesday. Company announced a $500 million contract from the Department of Homeland Security on Wednesday, and they pulled back a lot before the opening bell, down to like $10, and then it just hammered up here. So we'll watch it. It's got a huge range. I don't know what the float is. We're gonna have to find the float, but a huge range for WYY, and we can watch that one as well. Hey, thank you for the sub. Welcome to the team. I appreciate the sub. Alright. VSTM, DBVT, SYBX. I mean, we can watch SYBX, but it's not like my favorite one. What else we got? Am I missing anything, team? Anything that looks actually like good, that has like good volume in pre-market is what I'm waiting for. Solo? What's up, Leif? Alright, I'll check that out, MA. Yeah, I mean, Solo actually kind of looks good. EV play. Hey, welcome, man. Appreciate you becoming a member, Stu. Thank you, bro. Shout out to Stu. I like Solo though. EV play, just EV stock up on. I'm guessing just overall sympathy from the EV sector. Yeah, thank you, Stu. I appreciate that, brother. No, PIC's ripping up. Pivotal here. It's at $14. Hey, nice, Stu. Hey, welcome, brother. Appreciate it. Yeah, that video, that moving average crossover video has just, man, that thing's gotten huge. That thing's got like 40-something thousand views over the last few months. So that thing's going big. That thing will have 100,000 views within like a month or two. It's growing by like 2,000 views a day or something crazy like that. All right, we got VSTM. We're watching that one. SYBX, no volume though. Givo, Sun W. We can watch Sun W. It's just another solar and EV play that we're watching. GameStop. Yeah, I saw GameStop. Can you scalp Bitcoin? Sure. Yeah, you can. You can scalp Bitcoin. You can scalp Bitcoin because it's just a commodity like anything else, you know. And so like it's not a commodity, I mean, but it's a it is a commodity. It's just like, point is, I can scalp Bitcoin. I might be able to scalp it. I'm looking up Top Step right now. I might be able to scalp it on Top Step. I don't know though. Let me see. I might not. Let me try. Alright, so Top Step lets me scalp crude, E-mini gas, copper, euro, British. No Bitcoin here. But you can scalp it just like you're scalping a Forex pair. And so you can scalp it like you could scalp Bitcoin US dollar. Is really the way you scalp it. And then you just sell and buy. Buy and sell. DBVT, EVOL, GNFT. Man, I'm looking at my list, but there's just nothing. Alright, am I missing some? We're looking at this gappers list. DLPN. APXT. Honestly, SRNE. SFT looks okay. Hey, what's up, Diego? Hey, yeah, we could change that like count real quick. Hey, yeah, remember guys, the market closes at 1 p.m. today. Stock market closes at 1. Hey, smash that like button, guys. You know you want to. Everybody's doing it. Hit that like button. Click that subscribe button. You know. I mean, my main one is WORX though today. We'll go ahead and look up the market news and see if we get anything that looks good. We got some equity to trade today regardless. Yeah, we got some money to trade, but you know. Oh, okay, never mind. I see why. Alright. But yeah, we got SRNE and WORX. My top 2 watches, my 3 watches are VSTM, WORX, and STNE. Those 3 are my top, and I'll show you here. That's really the only ones that I like, or SRNE, I mean. So SRNE, WORX, and VSTM. Those 3, maybe APXT too. Maybe. It's a little bit expensive though. But yeah, SRNE, WORX, and VSTM. Those three are the only ones that look halfway decent. And even VSTM doesn't really have the volume that I need here. Maybe FCEL, although the float is larger, but like FCEL is gapping up too. So like maybe those, if you got anything you think I should include, let me know. I'll go ahead and put this on my list here so you guys can see it. Those four. This is it. This is really about it. I mean, small list today, but hey. That's it. Yeah, we're watching that one. Is Robinhood a waste of time? Probably. It's probably a waste of time. I mean, I can't. I mean, listen. Robinhood works. If you want to trade, you can trade on Robinhood. You know what I mean? Like, it works. Is it the best platform to trade on? No. Will it get it done? Yeah. Is it hard to day trade? Yeah. Can you day trade? Sure. You know? And so, you know, it is what it is. Yeah, just be careful, guys. Is all I'll say. You know, be careful. It's Black Friday today, and so just be careful. Oh man, I should have at everybody here. My bad. Let me delete this. No, we didn't. I mean, there's not really many news releases. WORX doesn't really have any news for it, to be honest. So, like, WRX is just kind of slow. No company-specific news. If you guys know why WRX is up, let me know. I'm not seeing anything anywhere. So, from anybody, I'm not seeing any news. I'm even looking at, like, Benzinga, which is really good for, like, news releases. And I see nothing here for this one. So, yeah. Let me see if I can find anything. I just don't see anything right now. I'm looking at WRX. It's up 91%. Nothing specific about news. You know, we got Sun W, VSTM, and then SRNE. SRNE is partnering with somebody else. We saw this one already. But aside from that, you know. No, I'm looking at WORX. Work. I mean, work is okay. It's got good volume. But I've traded work before. Work is like Zoom. Work, WORK is like Zoom. It's like a conferencing software. Mitch used to talk about this stock a lot. You know, and so WORK is like a conferencing stock. And Mitch had a great call out, it looks like, because this thing is just running up big here. And so, you know, we're watching that. WYY looking pretty solid too. Big percentage gains here. IPDN, same thing. VSTM, same thing. And then, but the real one that has the best volume is like SRNE. This one looks solid. PIC. It's too expensive for me. I mean, we'll wait and we'll watch, you know. Rail. We got like GVO here. iMac, PEI. I mean, it's been a good week so far. We also got like FCEL. Industrial stock. WYY jumped on a contract with Homeland Security. Yeah, I don't know why FCL closed. I think just energy sympathy. We also got like Apxt. Apxt is making moves. We're watching it in between like 13 and 14 right now. Closest range to attack, I think, here and here. And then we've got 15s. We've got 19 up here. This just got a huge range for Apxt, so just be careful. We might try to trade it, but just be careful, you know. IDX. Zoom. Y'all want to see what I ate? Y'all want to see what I ate for Thanksgiving? I can show you guys. GVO, I mean, GVO doesn't have enough volume, man. I mean, it looks okay, but like, it's just a very dull move. I have to put basically a 5-minute chart to look good here. It's got some big moves prior to today, though, and so I don't hate it up to like 250. I think if you were deciding to go long in this one, I think a good reward target would be like 250s, just because look at all this confirmation here. And so, you know, I think a small risk of like $190, $2, and then a nice reward target of 250 looks good. Big reward, small risk, good risk-reward ratio there. But it would be a longer term trade. I don't know how long this one's gonna work it, but we'll watch it. I don't hate that trade idea though. Not an investment professional, not liable for any losses you take in the market. You always have to make your own assessment and trade responsibly. This stream is for pure entertainment only. Understand that. Don't be dumb in the market, basically, is all I'm trying to say. Oh my gosh, bro. Axum, bro. Listen, Axum. Listen, before I ban you, Axum. Before I ban you, I'm going to tell you this, bro. Don't spam other people's stream. It's never going to work. You're a big scam. Even if you're not a scam. Like, and I'm being nice to you by even telling you this. It's very frowned upon. People look down on people that come to other people's streams and just try to spam their content. It's a slimy, scummy thing to do. You know what I mean? Don't be like that, bro. I mean, I'm gonna ban you anyway, bro. Have a good day. But, like, still. Get out of here, you know? And if anybody comes here and tries to spam content, y'all are getting banned with the quickness, you know? I'm still watching SRNE, though, it works. We're watching these. What was I saying, though? I was saying something before that happened. I mean, futures were looking all right. Let's look at the SPY itself. It's Black Friday. The market is up today. Let's see if we can find a catalyst for the market. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and quote this, and this is from MT Newswires. It says, stock futures were also in green ahead of the open as traders returning from Thanksgiving break, gearing up for a half day of trading. Stock exchanges are slated to close at 1 p.m. Eastern, and major U.S. indexes are at or near all-time highs. Investors are focused on Black Friday, which usually signals the start of the holiday shopping season, and the stock market usually increases. The stock market is usually very volatile during, the holiday season as well, because the economy's rolling, people are buying presents and stuff like that. Most analysts are going to be looking for the impact of travel and spending restrictions brought on by COVID pandemic on Black Friday. We have Deutsche's down 0.4 after it said it entered into a 10-year distribution agreement with Talon-X. We've got Dow Jones Energy Fund down 0.1%. Commodities, we have crude down 0.5%. The U.S. Oil Fund is down 0.4%. Natural gas is down over 1%, while the U.S. Natural Gas Fund is 0.8% down. Gold is down 0.1%. The Spider Gold Trust is down 0.03%. Silver is down 0.9%. And the iShares Silver Trust is down 0.7%. That's the market news today, guys. Let me know what you're looking at right now. 26 EMA. Hey, what's up, Caitlin? Both, Mike. Are you the Mike Lowry that's always, though, in the beginning of, like, rap music, where it's like, this is Mike Lowry, you know? It's got, like, a machine voice. Is that you? You know? Y'all want to see what I ate for Thanksgiving? Vegans beware. Vegans beware. Yeah, alright, here. I gotta get my snipping tool ready. Here's one. Alright, here's one of them. Let me bleep out my wife's name real quick. This is what we ate for Thanksgiving. It was turducken with crawfish stuffing. So it was crawfish stuffed turducken. It's turkey. It was turkey. It's a duck. No, it's a chicken stuffed in a duck, stuffed in a turkey, and they call it turducken, right? But then it had crawfish stuffing, which was great, you know. That was my Thanksgiving. It was good. I ate it. Vegans beware, you know. Yeah, it was super good, bro. It was super good, man. We had some other stuff too. Hey, look at, you know. Yeah, I'm from Louisiana, man. I'm from Louisiana, so we gotta do a Cajun style every year. It was good. Let me see the other picture. We got another picture here. I don't know what it is. Oh, it does let me pause. And then we had some boudin from Boudin. If you know what that is, you know. You know, we had some boudin. You can see the boudin here. Super good. We got some stuffed jalapenos. Those were good too. We got some jalapeno corn. That was good. Crawfish stuffing. What else? We got the turducken thing here. Yeah, it was good. It was good. That's how you do it, though. Right, for sure, Trader T. That's what we're looking at. The leftovers are the best part, you know. The leftovers are the best part. Start cracking. Hey, appreciate the sub, LTT. Thank you, man. Yeah, the leftovers are the best part, you know, of Thanksgiving because, you know, eat good on Thanksgiving, but honestly, it's a lot of work. But then after everybody leaves, you get to kind of eat. GNFT, EVOL, DBVT, NAKD. If you like really cheap penny stocks, I mean, we still got NAKD. It's still making some moves. Honestly, no. So we have our neighbor is from Venezuela. So our neighbor's Venezuelan, and he bought us some Venezuelan food. We kind of traded, you know. And so, like, our neighbor's Venezuelan, and he brought us some Venezuelan food. I haven't eaten it yet because, honestly, I was so full by the time he brought it over last night that I didn't get a chance to try it. But, like, we gave him our Cajun feast, and, like, he gave us a Venezuelan feast. And so now we get to try different foods. I'm getting ready to eat that today. I'll tell you how it is. But I'm low-key excited for it. Anything else, though, guys? We got WORX, we got VSTM, SRNE, and, like, IPDN, and, like, that's it. You know, we got a few other ones that are, like, a little bit too expensive, like ABXT's a little bit low-key expensive, TOUR, but, like, nothing else really looks good here. I mean, no volume. I'm sure we're going to get some stuff at the opening bell that just starts to rip, but, like, for now, nothing looks good. Everything's just very slow. WYY is probably, if I had to add another one to my list, it would be WYY because the volume did increase a little bit here. Still low, but we had some huge moves Wednesday that we could watch for. Some big moves on Wednesday, and so we'll see what we get. I'm sure we'll have some type of good stuff here going on. What's up, Robert? Hey, welcome, bro. NNDM. Let me see. We'll watch this. Hey, NNDM looks good. I didn't even see this one. Guys, I didn't even see this one. Look at NNDM. And so I appreciate that. I'm going to watch NNDM now. Let me see if this has... thank you, Trade Archer, if you're listening, bro. I appreciate that. He dropped it in our Discord. The man. So it's a tech company that is up on a rebound. Earnings from HP and Autodesk could be lifting the sector along with rising COVID cases. So it's just another technology stock that is up on sympathy here from earlier this week. So we'll see what happens with NNDM. I will watch this one. I am going to include this one on my list. So we're certainly watching that for sure. Hey, what's up, James? Hey, I hope you had a happy Thanksgiving as well, brother. Hey, thank you. Yeah, we got a no delay stream. Our stream has it's not zero delay, but it's like 2 to 3 second delay on this stream. And so these scanners are basically in real time, a few seconds off, but basically in real time. They're a lot more real time than every other streamer out there right now, I'll tell you that. So you know where the truth is. Come watch the channel, hit that like button. Let's try to get those likes up to over 100. We got 82 likes here. Smash that like button, team. I'm not expertly trading anything. Hey, from Toronto, nice, Joe. Yeah, my mom is out there, and my mom's not in Toronto, but she's in Canada. My mom's out there in Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario, Canada. My mom lives there. She said it's cold up there right now. It's cold here in Texas, though, to be honest. Hey, yes, sir. Hit that like button. We need 10 more likes. We got this. IDX. Yeah, I mean, IDX is looking okay. Still, I mean, it's moving up a little bit. The float's got to be huge based off of this level 2 movement. But we're watching it, you know. I don't know how much I like it, but hey, we're watching it. Hey, thank you for the sub, Chark. Thank you, man. It's cold here in Houston, bro. Hey, guys, is the stream doing the thing where it crashes again today? Hey, good. 5 minutes into the open. Yeah, I don't think it is. Okay, good. Hey, all good. Nice, James. Hey, yeah, y'all hit that like button, team. Nothing looks good though. Like I said, these are my 5 main watches. WORX gapping up from 125 to 240s. WORX, number 1. Second one is SRNE, number 2 with volume, gapping up from 690s to 820s, very strong, looks good, holding over 8, sitting at 825s, we'll watch it over 850, and then we got VSTM here, gapping up, low volume, slow, but it's the only other one that looks halfway decent. NNDM, decent volume, gapping up from 570s to 640s, we're watching it over 650, we're going to see how that responds, and then we also have IPDN, gapping up from 130s to 160s. WYY also kind of looks interesting here, sitting at 1270s. And then we're going to watch Apxt, even though it's hella expensive. So we'll see what happens there. Those are really what I'm watching right now. GNFT, DBVT. That's about it. CBAT. Hey, thank you guys. Hey, look at CBAT popping up in the last 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Thank you. Yeah, CBAT's moving, guys. CBAK Energy. Let's look up the catalyst here. CBAK Energy and Candy Group signed a supply framework agreement. So KNDI and CBAT signed an agreement here. You can see KNDI, which is an automotive company, and CBAK Energy signed a supply framework agreement, and that is why it's up. Candy Vehicles is planning to purchase 800 million RMB, which is about 120 mil US worth of battery pack system and customized battery manufacturing service in 2021. The power batteries of CBAK has an advantage below basically a deal with KNDI for CBAT. So we'll watch this. Most of this news, guys, I'm getting from Benzinga. Most of this news is I'm getting from Benzinga, guys. So y'all check out Benzinga. The dopest of dope scanners ever. Y'all check them out. Alright, let's do it. But yeah, we're watching CBAT, guys. Let's get this. All right, we got less than a minute. Let me put these scanners up, guys. All right. All right, so we got price spikes. All right, so we are ready, guys. Let's do this. Let's get a high break one, session high. All right, guys, let's do this. Bell's about to open. Ready? Here's the bell, guys. Good luck. Let's make some money. CBAT sitting at 870s, guys. 870s. Look at VSTM popping up a little bit before the open here. We got FCEL breaking highs at this opening bell. FCEL breaking highs here. Big rip. Sorry, I'm trying to get this thing auto refresh. Look at it. There we go. All right, that'll work. All right, so FCL crashing down here. FCL crashing down. We've got SNCR showing up. A little bit slow. A little bit slow. WORX. Nothing crazy yet, guys. Let me know what you guys see. I'm looking at VSTM for this little red to green type of move here for VSTM. Works is crashing down. Man, it kind of shows how weird these things, different charts look. SRNE's dropping, so we might get some red to green moves. Sun W's dropping, SPI's dropping. Look at FCEL. Okay. Oh no, it's words. No. Alright, let's get that out of here. Alright. Hey, what's up, Rhetorical? What's up, brother? Alright, most stuff is failing right now. I'm looking at NNDM here. NNDM's ripping, guys. NNDM was the one, man, and Trade Archer was right. What? Is this out? Alright, we're gonna have to make a new scanner there. Alright. Okay, we got a new scanner here. We're gonna use this one. There we go. Alright, so these are all the big movers under $10, guys. Alright, but yeah, NNDM making huge, crazy rips. I don't hate a little pullback here, though. I got filled. Okay, I got filled. I'm using this. There we go. Nice. Alright, we got half off there. We're holding half. Alright, we took another quarter off. We're holding 25 shares left. We're going to see if this thing can really rip up here for NNDM. $650 was my risk level, but we're still holding it. We're only holding 25 shares left. A very small position. The only reason we're holding this is just in case this thing starts to like really squeeze up. Oof. Alright, so we got out for a small little $8 scalp. It could have been a double that, but we didn't scalp it like we were supposed to. But at the same time, I think, you know, I think a certain percentage of the time those are really going to run. And it's okay that we didn't get the full gain from it, but we still nailed it. So we'll take that for NNDM. Shout out to my man Trade Archer for dropping that one on us this morning. We're also looking at FCEL. FCL's breaking pre-market highs, really holding, pulled back to this 940 level. And really ripping up for FCEL. Check it out. NNDM crashed down, so I'm glad I got out of it. We're still looking at VSTM here, and on the scanners, we see UTSI showing up. Yeah, UTSI is pushing up a little bit. We got SFT. SFT is ripping up, guys. SFT. A little bit expensive for me, but it's still pushing up pretty solid here. DRTT moving some. AIH. Here, I need to change this to have a little bit better volume, I think. It's alright, I guess. We'll have to mess with a different one. FCEL's moving. We're looking at VSTM here. NNDM is back up here. Back up. Just bounced exactly off of the VWAP for NNDM. We're still looking at VSTM here as well. Rail, RIAL. RIAL's ripping up RAIL. Rail, not the best volume though, if I'm being honest. HJLI. JG. Alright, so we had one small win today. We're looking at FCEL here for a 1 minute pullback too. And I also don't mind it because I can use like a nice little wrist there. It's a little bit too late. I was waiting for the 1 minute pullback. I just didn't quite get it, honestly. A little disappointed in myself. I kind of hesitated there, but I was right about it for sure. I was absolutely right about that one. NNDM ended up squeezing up a little bit more too. Man, I basically just hesitated with this one. I don't know why. Still kind of looking at VSTM. Apxt is showing up on the gap scanners. Apxt. Look at Apxt, guys. This one is ripping up big here. Hey guys, I'll be back in like a minute or two. I just gotta go to the restroom. Oh, my bad, guys. I've been muted this whole time. Sorry, team. My bad, guys. I've been muted this whole time. I'm still looking at like VSTM here. NNDM pulling back some. We're looking at like HPR. I figured it would be kind of a slow day today. APR is kind of moving up a little bit. Apxt is trying, but it's so expensive it's going to be hard for me to even trade that thing, man. What else we got? ABIO. Oh, the music's not on. My bad, guys. Hold on. There we go. Is that good? Is it too loud? Sorry, I must have muted the music as I was Apxt though, guys. If you like Apxt, it's starting to head back up, looking pretty strong. Over 15s looks good. We good? Yeah, what happened to CBAT? CBAT just failed. I don't really see anything right now. EXPR? Mitch was talking about EXPR. I think it was EXPR he was talking about a few days ago. Yeah, it's like up like 100%. Y'all see anything that looks... I mean, EXPR is not bad. It just doesn't have that much volume. I'm still looking at NNDM. NNDM is just failing down here. Like, I made a little bit of money on NNDM, but, like, it's just failing down. So, it doesn't even look good. I was thinking about it, but, like, nothing. JFU, PLIN, LMFA. Alright. Alright, we're getting an FCL here. We're catching this breakout. Stop freezing up, computer. Oh my gosh, man. It's so frustrating. Like... Alright, so we're in 50 shares of FCL here. It's taking some pretty big swings though, but luckily we're in the green. We're gonna just we want to see this thing break highs up there over 970s. Over 970s, we want to see the break over 975. Alright, there's 970s. I don't mind adding a little bit more to this if we can, but I'm also gonna sell obviously if we can't hold. There's 969s. Let's get 970s, 75s. See some strength come in. There's 70s. Alright. This thing just doesn't want to hold. Yeah, we're going to bail out of there. Small little profit, but in the green. This is just too big of a pullback, honestly. That pullback is just too drastic. It might fight its way back up, but I don't want to risk it. We're up small on the day, but... You know, we're up, you know, a little bit under 15 bucks. We'll take it. Like I said, I'm still looking at NNDM here. Small win on that as well. But this one's breaking down now. Doesn't look good. WORX maybe? Hey, look at WORX here. This one looks strong. So WORX is starting to reverse potentially. I'm also looking at SRNE. Hey, see you, Michael. Hey, have a good day, brother. Let me make sure I can trade futures today. I want to make sure I can trade today. Hold on. VSTM's trying to head back up. I'm still watching Works. Anybody else with Top Step? I can trade today, right? I have to be able to, I'm guessing. Don't you do it. In FCEL, man. That thing faked me out completely. What a jerk from FCEL, man. Wow. Wow. That hurts, man. Look at FCEL shining right now, man. This stupid little pullback, I'm so mad about that, man. That thing legit faked me out. It's been a while since I've had one that egregious. But man, FCL, you're dead to me, man. How dare you fake me out like that? That hurt, man. IZEA gapping up here. IZEA. We're watching it. It's at 104. We'll see what happens there with that one as well. But man, nobody say FCL. It hurts. Just to put it into perspective, guys, I got out right here. It's alright. You got to be able to laugh at yourself, I guess. Inside, I'm crying, though. You know. DTSS, guys, making some huge rips. Some huge rips for DTSS. Man, FCL hurt, though, man. That thing just, it did it to me, guys. It did it to me. SRNE, what's that one doing? I mean, that one's still got a long way to go. That one's still got a long way to go. I don't know if we're gonna end up taking it. It's got a long way to go. What else we got? SRNE over 8 might be, you know, maybe it's gonna get interesting. But man, I'm still honestly, I still got some FOMO from FCL. That one hurts. That one low-key hurts. I don't want to revenge trade it, guys. Like, I don't want to. But, like, I kind of want to. You know what I mean? I do, but I don't. You know? It's breaking 10. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Would you look at that? Man, that one hurts. I'm green. I've had 2 green trades. I guess I can't be too upset. I'm certainly not happy, though. I'll say that. I'm certainly not happy. Yeah. I can't short. Hey, nice route. Yeah, I'll look at plug. Yeah, plug's just a little bit expensive, though. You know, it's not too bad, though, I guess. Alright, here, let me start a new song. Here, let me start. There we go. Alright, we are in NNDM again on this small little rip bounce back. We're catching it. Let's see if we catch this ride up. 75 is the profit target. 73s. 74s. 75. Boom. Exactly at the profit target for NNDM. And so we're making some money today. We're good. We're up like what? Like 20 something right now. Yeah, we're up $21. That'll be good. We'll take a $21 day so far. We still got some money too. No losses yet. Riot is scary. Bitcoin dropping. Yeah, a little bounce play from Riot here. DTSS. Man, maybe I should have. I got out of 675 at NNDM, so I got out exactly at my profit target. This was my profit target, but I still think it could have a chance to break 680s and like continue ripping up. THCB. Look at THCB a little bit here. Looks like I got out. Look at that beautiful profit target for NNDM. Look at this. So I got out of NNDM right here. And beautiful profit target there. Bitcoin dropped overnight, you say? Yeah. Yeah, it's back down to 17s. One's the 26 EMA. Or yeah, one's the 12 EMA, the other one's the 26 SMA. And so the long term is the simple, and then the short term is the EMA. I can't lie, guys. I kind of want to attack FCEL again on this dip, on this moving average dip. Should I or should I not? With like 50 shares. I kind of like this dip right here. I could use a risk level of 73. It's only 50 shares, so I'd lose like $7 if I lost. You know, we got a potential reward target up to like $10. $10 right here. So risk would be see, we entered 80. Risk would be 7 cents. It's too late now. Hey, so I guess it was the right move because this would have been my risk level, and so I'm glad I took the time to calculate risk reward there, because if I didn't, I would have just blindly jumped in. I'm looking at NNDM again though. NNDM. We'll watch it over 675. It might make a push, and then like if it breaks 675, it might break this, and then try for this. So we'll see. Alright, so yeah, we'll check out some shorts now then. I gotta check out some shorts. Here's the SPY itself, and if you guys want to trade futures with me, I trade on a platform called Top Step. Honestly, it's one of the easiest ways to get funded if you know what you're doing. The way Top Step works is it's a subscription-based program. The base package is $120 if you go through my link. If you can make $2,000 with a 30K demo account while following the rest of their rules, they fund you $30,000 for the base package, and for the higher packages, they'll fund you all the way up to over $100,000 as a professional proprietary futures trader with an 80% profit split. They have paid out to their traders in withdrawals almost $2 million this year alone. And so y'all go check out Top Step. I think it's great if you're a good trader and you know you're a good trader, but you might not have the capital to trade like you want to. Top Step's the way to get the capital, and again, the base package is $120 a month. They give you a 30K demo account. If you can make $2,000 while following the rest of their rules, they fund you, and they are regulated in the US, and so very legit. Hey, listen, what did I say about NNDM? I hate it when I'm always right, and I am always right. I'm the most humble person ever as well, but look at that. I talked about it. Remember, I said 675. I think it was going to push up and break this, and then might break this on 680. There it is. I should have taken my own strategy. I should have followed my own plan here, and I just didn't. But yeah, if you want to check out Top Step, get 20% off, get it for $120 for their base package. Check out this link. I don't know if they got some type of sale for, I don't know if they have some type of sale for Black Friday, but there's the link. Check it out. Get 20% off. Help support your boy here. Man, I was right about NNDM too, man. Look at that beautiful move. Should have taken it. Yeah, I can't deal with this song, guys. It's too much wonking in my ears, to be honest. It's just too wonky in my ears. We're going to put it on... Yes, that one's a good one. Alright, we're going to put it on this one. Still watching RND or NNDM. NAKD showing up on the scans. If you like these really like cheap stocks, NAKD is it. It's the move. I'm kind of looking at Works here. I'm very tempted to trade Works right now. Ah, that was it right here. This was the spot. That was the spot. Ah, that was the spot right there for WRX. Right here. 250. Support of 250 below us. Small red candle or indecision candle. Volume coming in. U-shaped cup and handle pattern. That was the move for WRX. It was right here. It's too late now, but like that was the move. We got JG showing up, but yeah, there, that was the move for WRX. Just too late. Talked myself out of it. QS. Ooh, QS is making some huge rips. It's a little bit too expensive for me though, but like it's making some big moves. I'm also kind of looking at NNDM here. I don't hate this little pullback here with this big down wick. Yeah, it's too much for me too, unfortunately. I'm also kind of looking at VSTM. It's doing a U-shaped pattern here. Let's trade a little bit of futures, I guess. SPY pulling back, but it's honestly it's such a slow, choppy day in the market. It's a little bit, I'm a little bit hesitant to trade this. We are in with one contract here in the SPY, in futures. I mean, short on the short side. Can try to catch the VWAP rejection here. There we go. Nothing. Gotta be careful. So we're about to break even here. We're slightly down now. We gotta watch the SPY over 363.80 here. It's at 360. Yeah, it's about to squeeze us out. We're gonna get out there. Too much of a chance of just a huge squeeze down. So we got out, small loss. We're down 41 bucks in futures. We're still okay though, and we're still watching some of this other stuff here to see if we get anything that looks good. I gotta build a watch list because it keeps stopping after every song. Alright. Alright, we're in a small trade of WORX with 175 shares. Small trade. We're gonna see if it holds over 240s. I like this move. Small risk. We're gonna see if we can hold over 250s. That's what we really want to do, and we want to rip here. If we can rip, we'll take part of the position off. We just need to see it hold over 250s. There's 252s. Okay. Let's get ready. 53s. There's 54s. We're gonna take a partial off there, and we're gonna hold the 75 shares. See if we get a larger win from it. Alright, so taking that partial there protected us. We're only in with 75 shares now, and we can let this really try to move up here. Man, NNDM, guys. That one is the FOMO trade of the day. We're gonna let this battle. $50, 52s. We can let it consolidate a little bit here. It's 51s. Man, NNDM though. That's the FOMO of the day. We're gonna hold this one roughly break even now. If this one can't hold, we're just gonna bail out. We're gonna let it try, but the longer it consolidates here, the less I like it. And I don't mind getting out. We're up nicely on the day, and so we don't mind letting it just kind of chill and test here. See if we can hold over 250s, $50 level. Yeah, we're gonna bail out of that. All right, so only $1 loss there. Avoided a lot of, that's the first losing trade we've had today. And I like the trade. Luckily, we're able to take profit. It just didn't quite hold. It might bounce to the VWAP and continue up here, but yeah, we didn't catch that one today, unfortunately. But so far, a pretty green day. That's the first losing trade we've had today. Yeah, well, I'm gonna start doing the FOMO of the day, and NNDM is certainly the FOMO of the day. You know, because like NNDM hurt, and luckily NNDM's what I made my money on, but like, man, this thing just ripped up. But like, we're still very green on the day, regardless. But like, hey, I'd be lying if I said I wasn't a little frustrated with NNDM, you know. WORX ended up just failing down, so I'm glad I got out of when I did, to be honest. We just jumped in the market with a few shares here. We just scalped out of it with a $25 win. We're down $32 still on the day, but I wanted to show you guys that trade really quickly. I don't mind shorting back into the market again. We'll try to in the futures market. We'll see if we get anything that looks good, like under 36.70. I'm gonna short back into it. Yeah, we're back in short. All right, so we're within one contract. We're going to see if we get that breakdown that we really want. There's 67s. We're break even right now in this. There we go. There's 66s. Just scalped it. 2 small green trades. We're only down 11 bucks. I'm sure we'll fight back and in green today in futures, but hey, I appreciate the sub, Mimi. Welcome. Appreciate the love. Really do. Y'all hit that subscribe button. Be like Mimi. Smash that like button. Hit the subscribe button. You know you want to. Everybody's doing it. Hit that like button as well, guys. You know you want to run those numbers up as fast as we possibly can. And I appreciate the support. I really do. Works failed, so I'm glad I got out of it when I did. FCEL failed, so I'm glad I got out of it when I did. Still watching NNDM here. Looking pretty, you know, looking solid. Still kind of watching NNDM though, to be honest. I'm still kind of looking at VSTM, that is. Kind of looking at VSTM. We're gonna wait and see if we find anything favorable with VSTM, but I'm still kind of looking at it just to see if we end up like pushing up and breaking $2 or so. Like $2 is really the area where I'm trying to break, you know. Still watching it though, and I'm watching NNDM too. I'm up like $20 on the day. I'm still kind of looking at SRNE as well. SRNE. Let me check the VWAP EMA crossover. We're watching that. What about WORX? About that one. So like we got the VWAP moving cross. Oh my gosh, man. Get out of here, bro. Wow. Yeah, he's gone. Yeah. Yeah, he's blocked. He's banned. Really, he's just banned. I mean, that's all it really is. He's just banned. NNDM's pulling back here. I mean, I don't want to. Like, I'm not really trying to trade NNDM again. I've already made my money with it today, and I just don't know if I trust it enough anymore to try to attack it. And so, like, we're watching NNDM, and I don't hate this pullback, but I'm also highly skeptical of it. Still looking at VSTM, still looking at Apxt. Works failed, never really did much. SRNE might rebound. SunW's trying to. The SPY itself is just choppy and sideways, so there's nothing to really attack anymore. I was shorting it when it was around these lows, but like if you look at the SPY, it's just choppy and sideways now. So not my favorite market for sure, and it's to be expected to a certain extent because it's just a slow day. ABEO, ripping up some. If you guys like these, look at ABEO. Hey, what's up, Rob? What's up, Chris? JG? Yeah, JG is actually ripping up. Hey, I appreciate that one. That one actually looks pretty solid. JG. Check out JG, guys. Also, y'all go watch this video from last weekend. We're going to have a few more videos that we come out this weekend with, but, like, y'all go watch this video from last weekend. Let me find it. If my Facebook would load, or my YouTube would load. Hey, thanks, Rob. Appreciate that, brother. But yeah, JG's not bad either. Maybe I was right about NNDM, man. NNDM bounced beautifully there, too. I guess I just talked myself out of it to a certain extent, I guess, but... Hey, and like I said, guys, y'all check out Top Step. Top Step is the truth. Honestly, it really is. Like, Top Step... Listen, I know every trader has been in this predicament like me, where it's like, look, you know how to trade, you're a profitable trader, but you just don't have the money, and you know, like, saving up thousands of dollars is going to take a lot of time, right? With Top Step, you spend $120 to be a part of the program for the base package. If you go through my link, it's $120. If you can prove that you're profitable, they'll give you a demo account. The base one is a $30,000 demo account. And if you can prove you're profitable, I think the base one you have to make $2,000 without losing totally $1,500. Very reasonable. It's a 0.75 to 1 ratio. If you can do that, they fund you $30,000 as a professional proprietary futures trader. They've paid out to their traders around $2 million this year. And they're regulated in the US. It's a US program. In that way, it makes a ton of sense. And if you're trading futures, you're basically just trading the SPY, the S&P 500. If you could trade that momentum, you could trade futures. There's literally no difference. And if you want to check it out, of course, I'm biased. I post referral links for them, and so I do make a commission if you sign up. But at the same time, I think it makes a lot of sense. And if you want to check it out, there's the link. Y'all check that out. Also, this Discord link is not going to work, so let me change this Discord link, actually. I got the bots to leave our Discord link. I did get the bots to leave, and the way I got them to leave was that I revoked all of our old Discord links. I revoked all the old Discord links, and I basically took that away from them. So if you want to join our Discord, I got you. Here's the link. But I got the bots to go away. There we go. Yeah, I'm using Epidemic Sounds, man. Epidemic Sounds is who I'm using. If you want my full playlist, I got you. Or here's the referral for like their actual platform. Rail showing up on the scans. R-I-A-L. Showing up on the scans. Huge rips up. Honestly, Rail looks pretty strong here, to be honest. I don't mind Rail. Shout out to Benzinga. Benzinga dropping these fire stocks on me this morning. If you look down in the description, you can see Benzinga. You can see the Benzinga link. And honestly, they're super dope. They allow me to stream these scanners basically in real time. There's a 2-second delay on these scans, which they said I could have a 2-second delay. And they're really dropping some of these great stocks on me. Y'all check out Benzinga. There's the link in the chat, in the description. I kind of want to buy this right here. Risk of 275. You know what? I'm gonna buy it. All right, I'm in RAIL. Risk of 275. There we go. Let's get that $3 test. Come on, Rail. Do it. 93s. Let's get 94s in there. Ah. Now we're about break even here. There's 90s, 91s, 92s, 93s. All right. We're going to keep this one in one and done. There we go. 94s, 95s. Let's get it. Hey. Ah, that was a terrible fill. But hey, we made another $10. We're up like 30 something on the day. This has been a crazy profitable week, honestly. Every day, we're green. Every day. One loss today. It was a $1 loss. Everything else is in the money. We've been banking money today, so small wins add up. And this week has been a crazy profitable week, to be honest. You know, very few losing trades total. I might have missed out on this one. But hey. Watch for the pullback to 3 here. Watch for the pullback to 3. See if it rips up, holds this candle, holds over 3, breaks this high. Yeah. Alright, there's the pullback to 3. There's the pullback to 3. Hey, I hate always being right about everything, but like, I'm always right about everything. Look at that. Pullback to 3. Still watching India, but we'll look at Rail here. What trade should I do right now? I don't know. Works. I mean, what about works? I got $1 lost in there. I don't know. Works just doesn't look that good to me. I mean, honestly, NNDM is kind of the one. Like, NNDM bouncing at that level I drew out earlier. And these are the levels, like, listen, if you want to be a better trader, guys, the levels that you should understand are these levels like this. Like, this is the type of level that you need to understand in trading. Like, these are these massive levels that everybody is watching, right? In this case, it's 680, right? But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 confirmations today. Like, that's why we can predict these bounces, and that's why the bounces are predictable, is because you can see them easily like this. Yeah, you know me. Right, I mean, you could say it's that, but it's also a number of different things. Like, you could just look at this recent chart. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, so it's like, I'm sure I could also say it's bouncing at the VWAP. The VWAP's at 672 or 680 as well. And so I could also say it's bouncing at the VWAP, which it kind of is. And the overarching point I'm trying to make here is that the more levels like this that line up to the same area, the stronger the area is going to be, right? So if you have the 200 EMA and the VWAP and a quadruple bottom right there, or you have a quadruple confirmed level, 1, 2, 3, 4, prior to that, then you can understand it's probably a strong level, you know. But it's not just one, you know, it's not just one indicator. It's a number of different indicators that are all lining up to the same spot, which makes it really strong as NNDM pulls back to it, you know. WORX is trying to climb back. I don't know if it's going to yet, but it's trying to. Yeah, yeah, Rob. Yeah, it certainly does. And a way to look at it is like the more levels that are lining up simultaneous to others, like the more levels, the more indicators and the more support or resistance levels that are lining up, again, kind of simultaneous to others at the same time, basically, the stronger that level is going to ultimately be, right? And so if you want to make money using those levels. Just watch for them like strong, you know. Any DM still looks strong as well. And in DM, watch it over like 7-10 right here. See if it rips up. That's what I would watch for, at least. That's what I'm kind of watching for. Nothing super, you know, set in stone yet. We're just looking at it to see if we want to take another trade on it or not. Nothing else is really looking good. Remember, the market closes at 1 p.m. today. I believe it's 1, right? Rail? I believe it's 1. Maybe I'm wrong, though. I might be wrong. Yeah, rail looks good. You see that range that we're attacking, too. I think understanding ranges like this is crucial to trading. And just watching for these ranges to see if they can break, hold, or whatever, you know. But, like, following these ranges is important. Another one I'm seeing is PDAC and DXLG. DXLG is ripping up if you like penny stocks. PDAC. That's a weird looking move. PDAC, guys. Strange looking move, to be honest. But there goes rail. Watch it over 320s here. It's a little bit too late for me, but I like the movement. Hey, thank you, Ty. Welcome, brother. Appreciate that. Y'all be like Ty. Hit that subscribe button. You know you want to. Everybody's doing it. Hit the sub. Hit the like. Hit the subscribe button. Run these numbers up. Support your boy here. You know you want to. All right, so there goes rail. Watch it over 310s, or 320s, I mean. Watch it over 320s. We'll see if it holds now over 320s. We'll see if it breaks. It's confirmed that level a bunch of times now. You see, here. We'll see if it breaks or not. Consolidating, so we'll watch to see if rail breaks here, and like what happens if it does. Yeah, the SPY is just so rangy. I'm not trying to trade that thing today. It's just terrible looking market, to be honest, with the SPY. Nothing really looks good at all. It's just so sideways and choppy and boring that it's just not looking very favorable. We're watching 320s here, though, for rail. And if rail breaks 320s, I might consider it. I don't know. We'll wait and see. I'm just looking at it, though. There's the 320 break. I don't know if I like it. Too many wicks. It might pull back. We'll see. Maybe I'm wrong. This is Epidemic Sounds. This is the name of the platform I'm using to listen to music. Yeah, and so that's why I stopped in rail. That's why I talked myself out of it. It looks like it was the right move. It just didn't look like it was going to hold over 320s. Yeah, the SPY is just so dull right now. I want to trade futures, but there's nothing to really trade. There's too big. It's too polarized for the market. There's just too many like big up wicks, down wicks, big swings up and down. You know, never really following through with anything in the SPY itself. So I'm just gonna wait and see if we get some high breaks or something that I can attack later on. And if I do, I'll let you guys know. I've been really working on like limiting my trading if the market's not super favorable. And I came in today prepared, understanding the market might not be super favorable. Just because it's a half day. There's not really much going on right now. Railed failed. What else we got? We got like TC showing up on the scans. Boring. ZDGE. Boring. Look at PDAC. PDAC is weird. Looks like a daily chart, but it's a 1 minute chart. What is this? Anybody know? XIN, looks like the float's big here. SFT failing. Apxt failing. Works failing. You and Ross almost say same things about the same stock simultaneously. That's cool, I guess. That's a good thing, I guess. I don't know. I don't ever watch them. Kind of looking at Apxt to see if it fights its way back up. We got Tor showing up on the list. Still kind of watching Rail. Now, if it breaks highs again here after failing the first time, I like it a little bit more. Like, specifically watch this one over 320. 320. That's where I'm watching it, at least. It's 320. The 320 level. See if it breaks 320, that is. I don't know if it's actually going to. Yeah, maybe it doesn't look like we're actually going to get this move here for rail. THCB, DXLG, SR&E is kind of starting to climb back here. Watch SR&E maybe. Yeah, I think there's the Black Friday sale as well. I think Tefs and TradeNet might be having one too. I can't use them because I'm in the US, but if you want to check them out, and if you're not in the US, if you're based outside of the US, you can still use TradeNet and Tefs. I think the way to use them is, technically it's an educational package, number one, but if you're outside the US, most people are going to get approved for the funded account program, which gives you 14,000 in buying power to trade with, no PDT rule, day trading and shorting ability. And they have, when they did accept US clients, I have gotten like a withdrawal from them, and so they're legit in my opinion. And if you want to check them out, check out this link right here. Again, only if you're outside the US. If you're in the US, you can't use them. Yeah, I made a little bit of money on Rail. Did it break? No. Okay, yeah, I mean, I made a little bit of money on Rail back on this initial push right here, I think it was, is where I made my money on Rail. Why are my playbacks up so high? We've got like 3,400 playbacks. It wasn't a crazy voluminous day or anything. That's weird. Works is about to break lows. It's not a working, if you know what I mean. But no, I made some money on Rail. I made some money on Rail. I made some money on what was the other one I made money on? Rail and NNDM. I made my money on Rail and NNDM. Yeah, so I made almost $20 on NNDM catching some of these moves. I called them out beforehand too. Honestly, guys, though, I'll tell you this. I'll tell you this. Y'all want to do it? Number one, we could do a story time since it's a little bit slow. It's a Friday, and so we can do a story time if you guys want to. I'll let you guys vote on it if you guys want to do a story or time or not. Also, man, what was I about to say? Man, I can't remember what I was about to say. I don't know what I was about to say. I forgot. Oh yeah. So I've been feeling so much better, guys. And I know we had a few people here that were like, "Hey, I'm on omeprazole too." Like, I was on omeprazole for months. It turned out the omeprazole was the reason I was sick. I stopped taking the omeprazole and I feel so much better. Like, I got off the omeprazole. The omeprazole was making me sick. I had too little stomach acid. And I think doctors overprescribe omeprazole when you shouldn't. You know, when you shouldn't be taking that much. And I think what happens with a lot of people is that they have some stomach issues and the doctors overprescribe omeprazole, like Prevacid and proton pump inhibitors. And I think they overprescribe it. And so then the patient's symptoms get worse and they start taking more of it, and then it gets worse and worse until they basically just think that they've all of a sudden just gotten GERD, or they've all of a sudden, you know, gotten acid reflux, when the reality is it's the medicine. It's omeprazole that's making me sick, or that was making me sick. And that makes a lot of people sick, I think, and it kind of locks them into where they take it all their life when they don't, you know. I'm not saying that's the case, but like, the omeprazole was making me sick. It was legitimately making me sick. And as soon as I stopped taking it, I just feel way better. I went to my gastro doctor. My gastro doctor just puts me on a stronger version. He puts me on pantoprazole, which is just way stronger, unnecessarily so. And so it's interesting how doctors just overprescribe PPIs like that. Right, but like, my doctor, for instance, told me to take it for 3 months. Which is like the problem, Yeti. Like, my doctor told me to low-key take it for like 3 months. You know? So it's kind of crazy, to be honest. Oh man, yeah, guys. I don't know anything else right now. I mean, I could do story time. If you guys want to do story time, let me know. If not, that's cool too. Aside from that, it's kind of a slow day. The coffee story. Nah. Nah. I'm not gonna do the coffee story, bro. I'm probably about to close it down though. It's Friday. Slow day, you know. Where it's a green day. We've had like 4 green trades, 1 losing trade. We're running at 80% today. Only 1 loss. It was like a $1 loss today too. So we're killing it in the market today. It's just a slow day. There's not much going on right now. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just get out of here, guys. Love you all. Good luck. We'll see you guys later. Remember, like I said, go check out Top Step if you want to. If you're trying to get funded in the U.S., if you're in the U.S., check out Top Step. Honestly, Top Step's regulated in the U.S. They funded almost, or they paid out to their traders in withdrawal fees close to $2 million this year alone. If you could prove you're profitable, basically the base package is $120. If you could prove you're profitable, they fund you $30,000 with as a professional proprietary futures trader with an 80% profit split. And you get to keep 100% of your first withdrawal up to 5K as well. Really dope platform. Like I said, you can go check out Benzinga if you want to as well. Benzingas have the best scanners in the game right now, I think. And you can see Benzinga scanners at this left here. They're super nice enough to let me stream these scanners with almost no delay. So they're the truth over there. Y'all check out Benzinga. And yeah, guys, I'm out of here. Good luck. Love you all. Have a good day, team. Good luck in the markets, guys. And we'll see you guys a little bit later. Like I said, join our Discord. If you want to join our Discord, here's the link. Yeah, I didn't get enough people that told me to do story time, so we're just not going to do story time. Have a good day, guys. Good luck. See you guys later. I appreciate the sub, Jacinto. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it.